Namaste students, this is your EBS class and we are studying about insects. In this chapter, we have already studied about useful insects that are honeybee, lac insect, silk moth and ladybird beetle, and we know how useful they are for us. Today, let's see some harmful insects. One of them is housefly. Housefly used to spread diseases. But do you know how do they spread diseases? Let's see. When housefly sit on garbage on animal excreta, they gather germs. They carry these germs to the uncovered food. When they sit on uncovered food, they transmit or transfer the germs to the food. And when the human consumes such infected food or water, they get contaminated and they get infected. So in this way, housefly spread diarrhea, cholera and jaundice. So these diseases are spread by housefly. जब वो एनिमल एक्सक्रीटा पे बैठते हैं या फिर गार्बेज पे या फिर नाले में बैठते हैं और फिर जब वो अनकवर्ड फूड पे आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे these are uncovered food. When they sit on in uncovered food, they transfer germs over it, and when people eat these food, they get infected. So we should always keep our food covered. Next is mosquito. Mosquito or some other insects spread diseases through bite. But how do they infect people through their bite? Let's see. When the mosquito bites a sick person, it sucks the infected blood. Sick person means bimar person. It sucks the infected blood, and when this mosquito bites a healthy person, it transfers the germs of the disease into the blood of that person. Diseases like malaria and dengue are spread by mosquitoes. But which mosquito spread malaria? Students, there is a mosquito named female Anopheles. Female Anopheles mosquito spread malaria and Aedes mosquito spread dengue. So both the diseases are spread by mosquito, but they are different mosquitoes. Anopheles mosquito spread malaria and Aedes mosquito spread dengue. Now, let's see some other insects which are harmful for us. Some insects are blood-sucking insects like flea. Flea found on rodents like rats and can spread a very dangerous disease known as bubonic plague. It is very important. So it is very important to maintain cleanliness and hygiene, because unhygienic place, a cholera, plague, such type of diseases can spread. Next harmful insect is stinging insects. Stinging insects, you can say like honeybees, wasps. These are some stinging insects. They have a sting. Sting means dung. So a sting is located at the back of the insect and it is often poisonous and causes pain and redness in the skin. Sometimes these sting are not poisonous, but sometimes some sting of some insects are poisonous, but some are not poisonous. Now next insect is spider. Spider is not an insect because it has 8 legs. Usually insects have 6 legs, but spider has 8 legs. That's why these spiders are called arcanet. Spiders are called arcanet because it has 8 legs. It catches various insects for its food, and it secretes a liquid from its mouth which changes into a very thin thread when it comes in contact with air. When the liquid comes in contact with air, it changes into thin thread, and in this way spider make their waves, and in this way insects get trapped and eaten by the spider. But there are some methods. By using these methods we can get rid of these insects. First of all is we should keep our house clean, and second thing, if they are insects then we can spread insecticides or pesticides over them. Insecticides are chemical which kills the insect. Pesticides are usually used by farmers in their farm to save their crops. So this helps to save them from harmful insects. So students, in this class we have studied about harmful insects. Let's revise once. First insect was housefly. Housefly spread cholera, diarrhea and different types of diseases. So we should keep our food covered, because uncovered food may cause many diseases, because flies sit on the food and transmit the germs over it. Second is mosquito. Mosquitoes spread malaria and dengue. Female anopheles spread malaria, and Aedes mosquito spread dengue. Third is bubonic plague. Bubonic plague is spread by rats generally, because flea is found on rats, and it can grow in the unhygienic place. So we should keep our home clean. Next is stinging insect. Bees and wasp-like insects are called stinging insects because they have sting oval. They have sting which cause pain and redness in the skin. Next is spider. Spider is not an insect, it is called arachnid because it has 8 legs. Insects usually have 6 legs, but a spider has 8 legs. So that's it for today, children. Let's see in next class. Was the video